and welcome to my channel. My name is Lady Cinnamon and this is my very first YouTube video. So let's go. What I'm going to be talking about today is my bar cart. This is the Kivin bar cart and it is from Wayfair. I got it for under $100 on a really good sale. Yeah, so I really like it. I like the design of it. It's so different. First thing I want to talk about is this lacquer box. I saw them on Z Gallery and they were very expensive, so I picked this one up from Home Goods. It was like $19.99. It's great for accessories. I put some of these sake cups in there and some straws that I picked up. And it's great for holding accessories if you drink wine, maybe wine openers or wine stoppers and such. So it's really great for that. It has a really nice gold fleck in it, like a gold foil inlaid. Really pretty, and for steel, $19.99. This was a regular clear glass box that someone gave me. I just took some sequins that matched my decor and E6000 and it worked out perfect. It really looks good. It just adds a little bit more to the box to layer it. I don't have alcohol on my bar cart. There's nothing wrong with alcohol, but I just don't drink. So I did add some Pellegrino and some other waters. I have some juices for mocktails, but if you want a cocktail, I'll be more than happy to pick those up for you if you're coming over. The next thing I wanted to talk about was this really cute DIY. I got the base of this from the dollar store and the vase or the hurricane also. That's a little tea light luminaire that it's great. It just comes on automatically. And I just put some decoupage, some gold glitter rather on it. Covered it up with some more decoupage so it doesn't come off, and it's beautiful. It matches the decor and it was very, very inexpensive. It was only $2 to make. The next piece is this little one. Oh, I love this. I didn't want a traditional ice bucket. Picked this up from Amazon. This was under 20 bucks. It's stainless steel. It's great for keeping your items cold or chilled for hours at a time. And if you don't want to put it in the freezer ahead of time, you don't have to. And it's great. I did put it in the freezer for a little while the last time I used it and it kept everything really cold. So it's a great item. Next thing I want to talk about are these flutes. These long stem flutes I got from Z Gallery. As you can see, they match the decor very well as far as the colors I chose. Actually, it looks like it's blue, but it's actually that peacock teal. And yeah, they were only $2.28 on sale, so it's good to wait to the end of the season to pick up items. I picked up these stemless wine glasses with the gold foil on them. I got these from TJ Maxx. They were only $4.99 also, so I really like them. They're great for just people coming over. They're very casual and they're also dressy at the same time. The next item are these napkins that I got from the party store, Party City. You can see it's the gold foil once again. I love the way it looks. It's so whimsical and it does play off on the same colors. This next vase I have was a gift, so I don't know where it came from, but these stems and the greenery are from Pier 1. Once again, I picked those up. They match the vase perfectly, and it's great to add a different little bit of pop of color besides what your regular theme is for your color. So I really like that. They go really well. This pineapple is something that I had to have. I've been seeing these everywhere. They're in all different colors. They're all different sizes. But I really wanted to go one to go with my bar cart, and it's perfect. It's not too big. It was just the perfect size. And it really complements the bar cart and the colors that I'm going with. The next thing is something seasonal. You do want to bring in each season, and I figured I'd combine spring with the upcoming holiday, which is Easter. These were at the dollar store for only $1, so you really can't beat that. The next thing are these stirrers, which are matching perfectly to the pineapple decor. And as you can see, they're so cute. You don't have to keep buying more stirrers. They're reusable. All you have to do is clean them. I haven't put them in the dishwasher, but yeah, they match perfect. I really like those. And I got those off of Amazon for less than 10 bucks. The next thing I'm going to put up is as an accessory are the straws. You do need these definitely if you're going to be mixing drinks. Putting one of those stirrers and a straw in there is perfect. I also like the way the gold straw actually does have the gold foil on it. It's so pretty and it matches perfectly. And then the black and white ones just give it a little bit of pop in that little feel that you want to just bring it all together. These are just coasters. I didn't want to buy any, so I just shopped my own home. Everybody has seen these so many times, but why not? Just sitting back and just seeing how everything looks together. I don't want to make it too cluttered, but I do like the way it looks. I'm thinking about adding a candle. It smells really good. I picked this up from, I think, TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I'm looking at it, but I'm not really sure if it's going to make it too cluttered. So I just put it to the side, and yeah, you just want to just keep looking at what you're doing and just making sure it's not too cluttered. But anyway, next thing I want to talk about is this little plaque I got. It's perfect. It has gold trim, it has gold glitter, a little gold bow. You're hanging on the side and it just brings the full look together, and you can change it because it's chalkboard to whatever you're doing, if you're entertaining and who you're entertaining, and I really love that. That was only like $1.98. And to round it out, I shopped this rug in my own home. It's a faux fur white rug, and it really ties everything together. So I hope you really like this video. If you do like it, I'm so happy to have you here. If you watched the video to the end, I really appreciate it for my first video. And if you really like, become a part of my family, which is Lady Cinnamon on my channel, and yeah, subscribe. Love to have you back, and enjoy your day. God bless.